In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a map chart in Tableau using postal codes. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just getting started with data visualization, creating map charts in Tableau can significantly enhance how you present geographical data. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily achieve this. First, open your web browser and go to tableau.com. This is where you can either access your existing Tableau account or download the Tableau software if you haven't already. Tableau is an excellent tool for creating visualizations, and once you're on the site, logging in or setting up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts if you need to set up an account. Once you're logged into Tableau, take a look at the Recent section. This area will display your most recently accessed workbooks. If you have been working on a specific project, it should appear here. Click on the relevant project to open it. This ensures you're working within the correct context and can quickly continue from where you left off. Now, let's move to the Table section, which you'll find on the left side of your Tableau interface. Here, you'll see various fields available from your data source. We're going to begin crafting our map by focusing on the longitude field. Click and drag the longitude field over to the column shelf at the top of your workspace. Doing this sets the foundation for your map chart by establishing the horizontal axis. Next, we're going to work with the latitude field. Similar to how you handled the longitude, drag the latitude field to the row shelf. This action will define the vertical axis of your map chart. By placing longitude and latitude in their respective positions, you create the basic grid necessary for mapping geographical data. To add depth and clarity to your map, let's incorporate the postal code field. Locate this field in the Table section on the left. Once found, drag the postal code field to the color shelf. This step is crucial because it allows each postal code to be represented by a different color on your map. This visual differentiation makes it easier to interpret and analyze the data at a glance. And there you have it, a map chart in Tableau using postal codes. By following these straightforward steps, you can transform raw geographical data into a compelling visual story. Remember, each element you add to your visualization can help convey more information, so feel free to explore other Tableau features like filters or labels to enhance your map further. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating a map chart in Tableau using postal codes. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create more engaging and informative data visualizations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy visualizing!